Hello everyone. Welcome to Fluent Start English channel. This episode is for beginners who want to learn English slowly and clearly. Today, I will talk about my evening routine and share what I usually do after work. I hope you enjoy listening to my routine, and I also hope you can learn some new words and sentences. Let's start and practice English together, step by step. After finishing my work, I usually leave the office at 6 o'clock. The streets are sometimes busy with cars, buses, and people walking home. I like to walk slowly to the bus stop and watch the world around me. Sometimes I see children playing in the park or neighbors talking to each other. I take a bus home, and the ride is usually quiet. Sometimes I listen to soft music, my favorite songs, or a short podcast on my phone while traveling. Listening to music helps me feel calm and happy. I sometimes look out of the window and watch the sky. The sky changes colors in the evening. Sometimes it is pink, orange, or purple. The clouds move slowly, and it looks very beautiful. I enjoy these moments because they are peaceful and quiet. I often think about my day while I watch the sky. I remember the work I did, the people I met, and the small things that made me smile. This little time on the bus helps me relax after a long and busy day at work. When I reach home, I open the door and take a deep breath. I feel happy to be at home. The house is quiet, and I can finally rest. I wash my hands and face carefully. The water is cool and refreshing. I feel fresh and clean after washing, and it helps me feel ready for the evening. I also change my clothes. I put on something comfortable, like a soft t-shirt, loose pants, and sometimes my favorite slippers. Wearing comfortable clothes makes me feel relaxed and peaceful. I like to feel cozy at home. Sometimes I even light a small candle or use a scented oil to make the house smell nice. These small things make me feel calm. This is one of my favorite parts of the evening because I can finally rest and forget about work. Next, I prepare my dinner. I usually cook something simple, healthy, and tasty. Sometimes I make rice with vegetables and chicken. Other times, I make pasta with sauce or a sandwich with cheese, tomatoes, and cucumber. I like to drink a glass of water, juice, or tea with my meal. Eating slowly is very important for me because it helps me feel full and calm. I enjoy cooking because it is creative and fun. I feel proud when I make my own food. Sometimes I try new recipes from the internet. Sometimes I make small mistakes, but I laugh and try again. Dinner is my quiet and happy time in the evening. I often eat at the table and look at the sunset from my window. Watching the colors in the sky while eating makes me feel relaxed. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes carefully. and put them in their places. I wipe the table, clean the countertop, and sometimes sweep the floor if needed. A tidy kitchen makes my home feel nice and organized. I feel happy when everything is in order because it makes the evening calm. Cleaning is not difficult, and I like to do it right after eating. Sometimes I listen to music while cleaning, and it makes the work feel easy and fun. Small routines like washing dishes, wiping the table, and cleaning the kitchen help me feel good. I think that a clean home is a happy home. In the evening, I like to spend time with my family. We sit together in the living room and talk about our day. My younger sister tells me stories about her school, her friends, and sometimes funny things that happen during the day. My parents share news about work, neighbors, or other events. I enjoy listening to them and sharing my own stories too. Sometimes we play small games, like cards or board games, and we laugh a lot. Spending time with family is very important because it makes me feel happy, loved, and safe. Sometimes we even watch short videos together. These moments are small but very special to me. I think about these moments and feel grateful for my family. Sometimes I watch TV for about 30 minutes in the evening. I usually choose comedies, fun shows, or short programs that make me laugh. I like to see the funny situations and the characters' expressions because they make me smile. Watching TV helps me relax and forget about the busy day at work. Sometimes I watch the news for a few minutes to know what is happening in the world. I do not watch the news for a long time because it can feel serious or stressful. I just want to know the important events or small stories. Other times, I listen to music in my bedroom. I play soft songs, my favorite singers, or music in English. I like to sing quietly while listening. Singing slowly helps me learn the words and practice my English pronunciation. Sometimes, I also read a short book in English at the same time. I like simple books with easy words and short sentences. Reading slowly helps me understand the story without feeling confused. I enjoy repeating sentences after reading them. Repeating sentences helps me remember the words better and speak more clearly. Sometimes, I write new words in a small notebook. I write the word, the meaning, and an example sentence. This way, I can remember the words easily. I often review my notebook later to practice again. Before sleeping, I take a warm shower. The water feels very good after a long day. I wash my hair, brush my teeth, and wash my face carefully. Then, I put on my pajamas and prepare my bed. I like my bedroom to be clean, quiet, and comfortable. Sometimes I spend a few minutes thinking about my day. I remember what I did and how I felt. Other times, I write in my diary. Writing helps me remember important events and my feelings. It also helps me feel calm and peaceful before sleeping. I sometimes read a short story before sleeping. This helps me relax and feel sleepy. Finally, I switch off the lights and go to sleep. Sleeping is very important to stay healthy, strong, and happy. I usually sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening. A good night's sleep helps me wake up fresh, happy, and ready for a new day. I feel proud when I have a calm and peaceful evening because it gives me energy for tomorrow. Even small routines like washing, eating, cleaning, and talking with family make my evening special. Every evening is a chance to relax, feel happy, and enjoy simple moments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel to learn more English every day. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and share it with your friends so they can also practice English. We would love to hear from you. So please write a comment below and tell us about your evening routine or what you want to learn next. Your support makes our channel grow and helps us create more slow English lessons for you.